So a lot of people have asked me how to do this. So here is a very simple how-to for Angellift. So when you purchase, you get 2 reversible, rotatable, and reusable DermaStrips. Now, once you receive them, just wash them off with mouthwash or soap and water, but not hot water. They're made of a very delicate surgical material, so kind of like contacts. Be gentle. When you use them, you should only use one at a time and only use when you're completely relaxed. I love to do it when I'm watching TV or reading. Don't use them when you're sleeping, eating, drinking, or talking, anything like that. So take one, slide it under your upper or lower lip as far as comfortable, and then just close your lips and relax. That's it. They're rotatable, so it doesn't matter which side is up. In fact, I like to alternate every time I use them. But don't worry about them moving around in your mouth. This is totally normal for a week or so. After that, your body makes room for them, and they seem to stay put amazingly well. Relax for 15 to 30 minutes, remove, rinse off, and then store them back in the case. Now, once you achieve the results you desire, you can put them away until you need them in the future. Then just take them out and use them again. Simple and amazing.